Hey guys, what's up? This is behind the scenes of Hand Puppet Ninja Wizards. These are the hand puppets. This is the wizard hat. And I'm going to be doing some really cool stuff with it. Because it's a one-man production, basically. However, I did go on a business trip to LA on the end of July, like July 28th, 29th, and 30th, yeah, something like that, around the end of July of 2021. Right now we're in 2022, and I said I was gonna get this production done by New Year's Eve, but the problem is I am under a lot of pressure because I'm a film student. So I was trying to navigate the Hand Puppet Ninja Wizard with school and also work. And because of the frustration I had with school and work, I had to quit my job so I could focus on school. I've been daggling back and forth with my grades and my degree program. The degree program I was in, it was digital cinematography. But now I switched my degree programs because I decided to take a break after I decided to take like a 2-month break, and it was mainly because I came through surgery. I got in my appendix removed, and it was just really it was really hard for me. I mean, to focus on my school and to focus on my projects. It was just so frustrating. So I had to take some time off from school. I made a decision to switch my degree program to creative writing because I'm more of a writer than I am of a videographer, because I do have a fond love with videography. I have a fond love with cinematography, but I'm really a writer. I like to get creative, like it with my mind. That's how I came up with Hand Puppet Ninja Wizards. Only problem is I don't have a script yet. So that's the biggest problem I have, is that I don't have a script yet. But that's because I'm trying to figure out how to use the green screen. I'm trying to figure out how to use Adobe Effects and After Screen, and it is such a hassle. And remember, I am a one-man production. I'm doing this on my own. I'm the man behind the camera. I am the man in front of the camera controlling these puppets, but I am not the actor or actress. I network with people, and that's why I went to LA. I said I was gonna get this done and use their audio for the puppets. I am about to do it right now on, what's today? I think it's the 7th. I don't even know my dates anymore. I'm so old. It's like I don't even follow the days. I'm pushing towards 40 in June 24th. So it's just a journey that it's just a really frustrated journey for me. And but I'm gonna get done with Hand Puppet Ninja Wizards. I'm gonna do my best. It's not gonna be one of the greatest movies out there. It's good. I'm gonna try to make it entertaining, and my job is to basically do a trilogy of Hand Puppet Ninja Wizards. So I'm doing so much in so little time, or I have meant, and the reason I say it's so little time is because money is really, really sensitive. I mean, these actors that I'm going to be working with, it may be voluntary at first, but because I feel bad, hopefully one day I'll give them like money. I mean, because I'm working on a website, and my goal towards that website is to do my own streaming service, and that's where I'll premiere Hand Puppet Ninja Wizards. Even though I want to premiere Hand Puppet Ninja Wizards in Prime Video, if that happens. If it doesn't, there's nothing I can do, because Prime Video is not really my business anyways. The website is my business, but I'm not going to be charging like so much money. I mean, in some areas I am, but when it comes to monthly subscriptions, it's going to be so cheap even a homeless person can afford it. I mean, if they have a credit card. But yeah, that's what I'm doing with Hand Puppet Ninja Wizards. I'm a one-man production. I just got through surgery after Christmas, and I mean, not yeah, like I went through surgery before Christmas, and then the New Year's has been a healing process for me. So right now, because I'm I'm all healed up, I'm all ready to go, I'm gonna do Hand Puppet Ninja Wizards, and it's gonna be great. It's going to be entertaining. My goal is to just make it watchable and create some fond memories. Okay, so this is Wizard Master. This is Wizard Master. Wizard Master is a transgender. That's why he's pink. Or she's pink. Whatever. I'm gonna try to get an actress to play Wizard Master. Now the hand puppets are